Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Bankwest. Now to do that, firstly, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in BANKWEST and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be on the home page of Bankwest. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login button. Go ahead and put your mouse over it. Once you put your mouse over it, you will see another menu. Now on this menu, simply click on this personal online banking option. After you click on the personal online banking option, you will be redirected to the home or the login page. Now on this page, fill in your personal access number here, your password here, and then click on this login button. Once you click on this login button and if your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.